This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNN.Live. We're coming to you from the Planet MicroCap Showcase 2019 in Las Vegas. With me today is David Neibert from Concierge Technologies. It's a publicly traded company and the symbol is CNCG. David, welcome back to SNN Live.
Thank you, great to be here at Planet Micro.
Good to have you back. So let's get started with a brief overview of the company and we'll go from there.
Sure, Concierge Technologies is a small, diversified holding company operating on a global scale.
So what's the history behind the company?
Well, we're not new to the game. Concierge was founded in 1996, but in 2015 we restructured, took in a bit of investment that allowed us to start down a path of acquiring other wholly owned subsidiaries, providing revenue streams beyond our core business.
So David, it's been a while since you've been on, like 6 months or so. Do you have an update for us on the company?
Well, I can update you on how our subsidiaries are performing. As you know from our last discussion, we have 4 operating subsidiaries, largest of which USCF Investments in the asset management business. We have Original Sprout, which is a hair and skin care business in California. And let me tell you about that first, because this is a hot topic. We're a sponsor for the movie Ugly Dolls, which is set to release at May 3rd. And you can see our Ugly Doll banners and all of our Original Sprout product at Disneyland worldwide and Whole Foods and Sprout markets and such. We're in like 12,000 retail outlets around the country and gaining a lot of traction there for Original Sprout, which is our newest acquisition. We just acquired that company last year. Brigadier Security in Canada is the largest provider of alarm systems and monitoring in the province of Saskatchewan, and recently gained ULC certification. So now we're installing fire alarm panels, which is a new requirement for every commercial building in the province. So that's going to improve their business significantly. While in New Zealand, our gourmet food subsidiary, which is a commercial scale bakery selling through grocery stores, convenience markets, lunch bars and such throughout the country, including ExxonMobil stations throughout the country, is also now going to be a distributor for Original Sprout products in New Zealand and Australia. So we're excited about that, especially when we can find synergies amongst our subsidiaries, even though they're in diverse businesses.
So what's your business strategy when looking at an opportunity?
Well, first off, we only look at companies that are profitable. We're not a leading edge, and particularly not a bleeding edge sort of company. We look for stable businesses, not particularly susceptible to disruptive technologies. We also have to have management in place. We don't push our own management teams into our subsidiaries. So if the sellers are departing and with them goes the expertise in running the business, we're not a buyer. So profitability, sustainability, and experienced management are the key drivers for our target acquisitions.
Do you have a target market?
In a sense we do. We are trying to certainly expand within those sectors where we already operate. That's our primary target. But then again, we're opportunistic. If we find the right opportunity in whatever sector it is, it's operating in, if it's English speaking and they're stable, we'll take a look.
What's your background?
Well, I've been with Concierge since 2002. Prior to that, I was with another publicly traded company called Intech Diversified Corporation, which was in the telecom space. But with Concierge Technologies in 2002, I've been the CFO and eventually the CEO until our restructuring in 2015. I'm now currently the Chief Operating Officer, so I'm the lucky guy that gets to fly around to New Zealand and Canada and into California and such, making sure our subsidiaries are operating smoothly and profitably.
So as a public company, please tell me what you can about growth drivers in the company.
Well, that's a tough question. Growth drivers in the company are twofold. One, we're looking to expand our channels to market. As I mentioned with Original Sprout, we've been a boutique centered operation, and we want to expand into a nationwide, perhaps big box footprint for sales. So we're looking to expand distribution and channels to market. With Brigadier, we're looking to not expand our distribution channels, but to expand our footprint. We're the largest of our kind in Saskatchewan, so there's a roll-up strategy there that we may seek to employ. So each sector has a different path to go in order to achieve these growths, and while doing so, we, meaning Concierge, our parent company, provide the resources, some management expertise. We help our subsidiaries achieve this growth. We allow them to exercise pretty much their own judgment. As I say, we're decentralized in management, but we want to help them. And we found that they're really eager to succeed, and they've been doing so.
David, let's get your website out for more information for our audience, please.
Yes, visit Concierge Technology. That's not the singular, that is the singular form, sorry. Our name is Concierge Technologies. Our website is conciergetechnology.net, and you'll also find links to our operating subsidiaries.
Ladies and gentlemen, David Neibert, Concierge Technologies, publicly traded company, and the symbol is CNCG. I'm Shelley Kraft, this is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from the Planet MicroCap Showcase 2019 right here in Las Vegas. David, great to see you again.
Thanks for the invitation. Good to see you, Shelley.
Thank you.